Hi everyone, I am Kritika. I am a student of Government Higher Secondary School, Lower Camp. I finished 6th grade and I am going to 7th grade. In my school, English education is provided for free. Also, all the teachers have taught us is an excellent way and we have been trained in English. Through this, we are able to speak and write well. Not only that, all the teachers guide us exponentially well and provide special training. All the teachers guide us especially well and provide special training in English. Through this, what we have learned, we are able to create a sentence independently. Welcome, lovable parents, and your children will fully benefit from free English education at our Government Higher Secondary School, Lower Camp. Thank you.